Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the latest, new, improved 2020 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG. Come on inside, let me show you. So this unit just came in from the transportation company, but I wanted to get it out there because it's really exciting to show. It has all the latest and greatest features. New kitchen layout. You'll notice that the oven and cooktops over on the side here. This is going to have the residential size microwave. Overhead cabinetry, lots of it, all the way around. Big one-piece stainless steel sink with pull-out faucet and spray nozzle. New backsplash in the kitchen area. Nice great big window in the kitchen area as well. Your drawers, lower cabinetry below. The backlit counter strip. They moved the refrigerator to the slide out. So you have a slide out here on the off door side with the big refrige, couch, and let me show you what they've done. So you folks that might have a larger or wider unit, don't be afraid, because I think most everything's going to fit unless you really went supersized it. But this floor unlocks, and then it lifts up, and it gains us about 10 inches of storage or width here when we put this floor up and run the slide out in. So when we come in, we don't have to worry about where the refrigerator sticks out, because if we park it here, we gain 10 inches of width when the slide comes in. So if our front wheel's parked here or a rear wheel, usually your wheels are your furthest outside width pieces. So you do have the width. Then when we want to make it into the couch, it just unstraps, folds down, makes the bed here or the couch. One of the improvements that they've done as well, they put the couch legs on the slide floor, so you don't have to worry about dragging your feet on the floor itself. And then it goes back up for storage here. We have the overhead cabinetry, lights up here in the valance area, rear opposing dinette, bunk bed, LED lights. This particular model has the rear patio ramp package, as well as the roll down screen wall. Opposing dinette here, so two individual tables remove, we got pass through, or we can set up one table or two table, however you want. Makes it very versatile. Individual lightings for our bunk areas, one up above as well. Big windows, lots of lights in. Big patio window here. Chairs are still tied up as you see, but you got room for each chair, one side by side with its individual table here as well. Nice great big flat screen Jensen TV. This one has the 12 volt ceiling fan, the Jensen stereo system, your remote controls all in one area, very easy to get to. Side aisle down to the bedroom. This is going to have the solar on the ceiling standard now, with this one has the bigger generator, dual air conditioning, the solid surface countertop in the bathroom, stainless bowl, nice faucet, vanity, porcelain toilet, nice big corner glass shower with skylight. Height isn't a problem in here, as well as having the big cabinet here, drawers, ducted floor heat, forced furnace through there. Come on into the bedroom. This one has the optional second wardrobe slide for the bedroom. So the wardrobe slides out, and then we have individual ward cabinets next to the bed on each side with the overhead cabinetry and the overhead lighting. Second air conditioning in the bedroom as well. Storage underneath the bed. You'll notice in the 28 IBGs too, they're actually 3 1/4 inch longer wall to wall. So we can put a bigger mattress if need be, or we have more room access crawling through the end of the bed. And then as we come outside here, let me show you some more features. This is going to have the latest, newest graphics. So bringing the graphics all the way down the side panel here now, we have the graphics. Metal fender wells, Zerk fittings on all the suspension, the big Gladiator Attitude wheels, lots of LED lights. You got the LED light strip underneath the awning, LED light bar above the doorway with your spotlights. This one's going to have the exterior speakers, the power awning, pass-through storage with the magnetic catch for the baggage door. You got your ladder inside for the bunk bed, your 50 amp short cord. The LED lights on the front cap. This has got the green Monster Energy graphics as an option with a new lithium battery disconnect, 2 propane tanks, power tongue jack. This unit weighs, as equipped, is 9320 with the double slides, with the bigger gen, with the dual airs, fuel station and everything as equipped. Has the new rear spoiler on the back end. Got the latest graphics. Large 8-foot patio deck out the back end. Spare tire mounted up underneath. This one is tipped a little forward up front, so it makes the back end look a lot taller than what it is when it's level. The outside shower, upgraded 10-foot or 10-gallon hot water heater, roadside spotlights as well, and the big generator. So, you know, that about wraps it up in a quick video on the new 28 IBG Attitude. If you have any further questions or want to know more about it, or maybe spec out an order and get it ordered just the way you want it, again, my name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. My direct number is 541-979-1770. Make sure you call me. I'll get you all the details on the new Attitude by Eclipse. Thank you. Have a great day.